This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, Chevrolet MyLink, a performance package, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, variable valve timing, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 39 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.